If you upload your YouTube videos using the YouTube mobile app, you've been making a very big mistake. If you upload using this plus sign right here, you've been making a really big mistake as a creator, and that is why you have not been getting enough views, subscribers, and watch hours. Don't worry, in this video I'm gonna be showing you the right way to upload videos in order to get more views and subscribers on YouTube. If this is your first time coming across this phase, I'm Nora, and on this channel I upload videos about making money online and YouTube growth tips. Please do well to subscribe, like the video, and let's jump into the video. So if you have been using the uploading videos using this plus sign on your YouTube app, then YouTube will never recommend your videos even if your content is really amazing, you know. So YouTube will never recommend your videos to viewers. If you want to get, before that, if you want to get more views and subscribers, please, it's something that I have just remembered and I should tell you right away. If you want to get more views and more subscribers and your channel to grow very fast, please don't focus on new subscribers. Don't focus on new views, on new viewers, on whatever. Please focus on your existing subscribers. Why? Because for a person to subscribe your channel, this person has seen value in your content. And for example, if they have subscribed to my channel because they want to see or want to watch make money online content, then it means that my content should be about making money online. And this is what made my viewers or my subscribers to subscribe to my channel. Most creators, especially small creators, will focus on the new viewers on your channel, but that's not the right way. Focus on your subscribers, and because if they watch more, YouTube will push your videos, and that is the correct point that I wanted to deliver. If your viewers, or your subscribers or your regular viewers, the regular viewers are those people that always come back to your channel to watch your content. If they watch for longer, then YouTube will definitely recommend your videos to a lot of viewers. So without wasting any time, we're gonna go to my YouTube studio, or my YouTube studio desktop version, and show you the right way of uploading videos here on YouTube in order to get more views. And I bet, guys, you've never come across these simple settings that are hidden in your YouTube studio that I'm gonna be sharing with you. Please don't go away. Stick with me till the end of this video, because at the end of the video you are going to be thankful you came across this video. Without wasting time, let's go to my YouTube studio. Guys, let's head over to my Chrome browser. Then you are going to type YouTube Studio Desktop. Then you log in, and this is the tab that you are going to see next. Let's wait, let it load. Now you are going to be taken to this tab. Then you see this at your top right corner, where we have these options like create. You are going to tap on create. Then these options will pop up. Then click the first one, which is upload videos. Then when it comes to here, you select files. Then you are going to be directed to go to your photos and studio or your gallery. Then let's see videos. Let's try uploading this particular video here. This means that your video has already started uploading. So as your video uploads, please go ahead and type your title here. Title required. Ensure you type your title here as the video continues to upload. As you can see at the bottom here, the video is uploading. It's now at 10%. So let's go back to our title. You write your description. Then we have thumbnail. I assume that you've already made your thumbnail, and if not, then you can make it later. But the first setting that I'm talking about is playlist. You click right there and select the playlist that you want your video to be uploaded to. Selecting a playlist is very important because it will ensure that your viewers get to watch more of your videos. For example, if a viewer clicks on your video which is on YouTube growth tips or make money online, then they are going to be shown other videos under that playlist. So it's possible that you're going to get a lot of views from playlist. So ensure that you always put your video in a certain specific playlist. So in this case, let's select that, then we click done. After that, we are going to go to audience, ensure, but that's not important for today. I want to show you the other setting which is very important for this case. You see this part here which is written allow embedding here. It's very important. Always ensure that you turn it on so that others viewers can find your video outside YouTube. That is from outside other websites, blogs, and all that. Then this other setting here, which is written publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. This is very important. It means that as your video goes public, it's going to be published on your subscribers' feeds, and the subscribers will also get notified. If this setting is not turned on, like if you leave it like that, it means that YouTube is not going to notify your subscribers that you've posted a new video. So that means they are not going to be able to see that you published a new video. So ensure that you always turn it on. So those are the two settings that I wanted to show you, and if you've been neglecting them, then that could be the reason you're not getting enough views. So ensure that you always put your video in a specific playlist where it belongs. And another one, ensure that you click this setting where it's written publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers, which is very important. So guys, those are the two settings that I was talking about, and if you've not been checking out those settings, then you've been making a big mistake as a small creator, and that is why YouTube may never recommend your videos even if your content is really amazing. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.